Okay, so I'm getting ready to do another container today, and I'm working on a lemon cypress as my centerpiece. So this is my tall, and I've got these great proven winner Superbells, and this one's called Holy Cow. Look at that color on that. That's got some fuchsia, some yellow. So I love this pop of color here, and these typically run and get really big, and then I'm gonna add the yellow, the same Superbells with that. So this is called the lemon splice. But I also found this one. And I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm gonna try. It's called Portulaca, whatever you call it. Anyway, but I love, it's kind of a waxy leaf. It's really pretty, but look at this plume on that. That's almost look like a mum, but I used this last year, and it just got bigger and bigger, and the flowers got really, really pretty. So I'm gonna use this also to trail along the side, and I just want this to get really, really full and trail along the side. As you can see, my pot is really tall, so I wanted to fill up along the side and all this space. But I've got some just regular purple petunias, and then I've got some creeping Jenny. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this. I've replaced some already my potting mix, and we'll see what happens.